Hello everyone, today let's repair this hunter mosquito killing bat. It is most commonly used in most densely populated countries. Now just remove all this. As you can see, it's not working, but this is the most common problem. I myself have repaired several of these bats, and this is the most common part that fails. So keep watching till the end, hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to channel if you are not yet subscribed. The 4 screws. Remove it. See, okay, now as you see, not operating, but when I short these two terminals, see the light, LED light glowing. So we need to replace the switch. You see, when I short it, it's working. This is the most common fault. For that, first only thing you need to replace this switch. This is the new switch. Don't worry about the shape, it's okay, but the thickness should be same, so that operating of this button will be good. So now apply some paste to both the legs of this switch. Now cut the excess lead. Now fix it in this way. Be careful not to touch here. Now take the knob, button, okay. Now take the top cover. See that this LED light matches this hole. Should not be that the LED will bend and it will go somewhere else. Now the small screw should be fixed here on the top. Then a bit smaller screws here. Okay, now you see it's working. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you in repairing your hunter mosquito killer bat. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.